When considering TSOhost for your web hosting needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a purchase. Stick around as we break down everything you should consider so you can make an informed choice and avoid surprises down the road. While TSOhost offers competitive features, we'll also compare them to other popular hosting options like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator to give you a clear view of what's best for you. The first thing to know is that TSOhost is a UK-based hosting provider. This makes it an ideal option for businesses targeting a European audience due to its fast data center locations within the region. However, if your audience is global, other services like SiteGround or Bluehost may offer better worldwide reach with servers spread across different continents. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. TSOhost offers very affordable entry-level plans, which might be appealing if you're just starting out. But be careful. Some of the lowest prices are only available for the first billing cycle, and renewal rates can jump up significantly. In contrast, Bluehost offers more transparency with long-term pricing options that don't change as drastically. The third thing you need to know is that TSOhost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a great way to test out their services risk-free. However, compared to competitors like HostGator, which provides a 45-day money-back guarantee, TSOhost's 30 days is a bit shorter. Make sure you're comfortable with that timeline. Moving on, TSOhost offers unlimited bandwidth on most plans, which is a big plus if you expect your website traffic to grow rapidly. But keep in mind that this is not the case with all competitors. For instance, Bluehost has more capped bandwidth on their basic plans, which could impact your website's performance as it grows. The fifth thing to know is that TSOhost's customer support is available 24/7, and their UK-based support is a big selling point if you're located in Europe. While TSOhost's support is solid, companies like SiteGround are known for superior customer service with more specialized technical expertise. Now let's talk about the control panel. TSOhost uses a custom control panel, which can be a bit of a learning curve for new users. It's not as intuitive as cPanel, which many other hosting providers like HostGator use. So if you're accustomed to cPanel, this could be an adjustment. Next up, TSOhost provides free website migration for their higher tier plans. This is an attractive feature if you're looking to move your existing site over. But if you're using other providers like SiteGround, they offer free migration, even on their more affordable plans. So that's something to consider if you're on a budget. The seventh thing to be aware of is that TSOhost doesn't offer a lot of advanced features for more experienced users. If you're looking for specialized features like staging environments or advanced caching tools, you might want to look elsewhere, such as with SiteGround, which provides these features as part of its hosting plans. Next thing to note is that TSOhost offers a range of hosting options, from shared hosting to VPS and WordPress hosting. While these plans are diverse, competitors like Bluehost and HostGator provide even more robust choices in terms of specialized hosting for e-commerce, developers, and business needs. The ninth thing to know is about TSOhost's security features. They do provide essential security like SSL certificates and anti-malware, but it's worth noting that advanced security features like website backups are only available in higher tier plans. Bluehost offers free backups on most plans, which could be more convenient if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with more features included. The 10th thing is that TSOhost's website builder is basic. If you're just starting and need an easy-to-use tool, it works. But if you want something with more design flexibility or e-commerce capabilities, platforms like SiteGround and Bluehost offer more advanced website builders and e-commerce solutions, especially for growing businesses. Now, let's talk about performance. TSOhost's uptime is reliable, but not the best on the market. While they generally offer around 99.99% uptime, competitors like SiteGround and Bluehost are known for consistently delivering excellent uptime with faster load times. The 12th thing to mention is TSOhost's scalability.